Midas. Hi, buddy. So here's Midas's cat room. Yeah, he's got the ultimate pad. Little area up here he hangs out at. Little area here. He's got fun stuff in this closet. Hey, he's even got artwork. He jumps up here on a shelf, and he's got this little area he hangs out on. And then he's got this over here, his food area, his quote of the day, and yeah, lots of shelves, because he is a Bengal, and this guy likes to climb. Right, mighty boy? You like to climb. Yeah. Yeah, you're the best. Good boy. Good boy. His favorite view out here. He sees lots of squirrels, birds, and all kinds of stuff. Don't you, buddy? Yeah.